Hello, today I'm reviewing this little board that we can use to power some of our devices using a computer power supply, an ATX power supply. The power supply is connected here. This little board has a switch on off to power the computer power supply. This is an LED that lights up when this is on. It has fuses, one for each line, 3.3, 5 volts, 12 and minus 12. It has these connections. I don't like it very much like this, but they are used to you can put a wire around this screw and then screw this on top, and the wire becomes attached to this connection. The way I use it is simply removing this and with the alligator clips connecting here. I have here a power supply of a computer. This is used just by connecting like this. And as I said, if we turn the switch on, the board is powered up, as you can see by the fan spinning, and just use some wires to power some device. I hope you like this video and you like this board. I will put a link on the description if you want to buy one for yourself. This cost me €6.50 with shipment. I bought it from Banggood. See you next time.